In this video, you're going to learn how to shine a shoe. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Alright, to shine a shoe, these are the things you're going to need. Alright, let's be real here. Nobody has a buffing brush or a polishing cloth or even a welt brush. The three things that you need are cotton balls, a cup of water, and some shoe polish. That's it. But for the sake of this video, we'll pretend we have all this stuff. First off, remove the shoelaces. You don't want to get the shoe polish on those. If you want to, you can fill your shoe with newspaper or something like that, but your hand is suffice. Next, you want to clean off the dust and dirt from your shoe. Then you apply the polish to where you want it shined. Most of the time it's right on the front of the shoe, by the toe. And don't forget the welt of your shoe. Next, you're just going to buff in the shoe polish. Add a little water and then buff again. Put some more shoe polish on, add some more water, and buff again. You're going to continue this process for a long time. It could take half an hour to an hour, sometimes even 2 hours per shoe. Just keep at it. Just remember, the longer you do this step over and over again, the shinier your shoe will be. Congratulations, you have now learned how to shine a shoe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.